Today we're making this amazing oven baked whole chicken you can place on your holiday tables. Let's get into the recipe. Alright guys, let's start by brining our chicken. So to a bowl you want to add some hot water. If you want you can boil your water and do this on the stove top, but I ain't able with all this, so I add some hot boiling water from my kettle, and here I will add some sugar, salt, chicken bouillon, and some black pepper. Here I will add some aromatics, garlic, onion, ginger, thyme, and rosemary. I will also come in with some citrus, orange, lime, and lemons. So you want to add everything in, give it a real good stir, and allow this to sit for about an hour or so it can cool down completely before you add the chicken. You don't want to add your chicken into, the hot water, so you want to allow this to cool. After it cools down, this is how it looks. I did go in there and squeeze some of the oranges, the lime, and the lemons, and here I will add my chicken. I did spatchcock the chicken, remove the backbone, and yeah, I will place it in here and I will turn it on the back first, and before I go to bed I will switch it around and turn it on the breast part. I started doing this around like 5 in the afternoon, so when I'm ready to go to bed by 11 I will flip the chicken over and allow it to go overnight. Now fast forward to the next day. I took the chicken out of the fridge, placed it on a wire rack so it can drain, and then pat it completely dry. Here I will make a compound butter. I have some softened butter here, and I will add some garlic and ginger, grated garlic and ginger, and finely chopped rosemary and thyme. I will also add some seasoning for flavor and taste. Not too much though, because remember we brine the chicken, so it's already nicely flavored and seasoned, but this is just extra we're doing here to make it amazing. So like you see me add some mustard in there, and I just came in with some honey after I tasted it. It felt like something was missing. That's why it's always good to taste your food as you go. So I tasted it and it needed some honey, so I added in, and yeah, now we'll go ahead and just baste this chicken with that delicious butter. You will lift the skin and place it up in the breast, the legs, and the thighs, and then you will just lather the rest of it over top of the bird. Once done, you want to place this in a 375-degree oven for about an hour and 20 minutes or so. You want to leave it uncovered, and after an hour and 20 minutes, this is what we have here, the most amazing oven baked whole chicken you will ever try. Trust me, if you're not a fan of turkey, this is the perfect recipe to place on your Thanksgiving tables. Look at that. The leg was so moist and juicy. Like I said, it came right off. It was so tender and flavorful. You will not regret trying this recipe. Your guests will be blown away. I did serve it with some mashed potatoes because it was just a regular Sunday, and some stir-fried vegetables. But of course, if you make it for Thanksgiving, you will have all the goodies on the side, right? So like I said, give it a try and let me know what you guys think. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.